Hello and welcome back to BookGames Spectator, episode number 12 in our series titled BookGames Spectator Course. Today we're going to be jumping back into displaying how I think about BookGames spectating. Now normally we would begin by sorting by listing time and then going to sale time and then finishing up with checking on the floor. But in this case, we're establishing our baseline, which involves understanding what the floor is based on the amount of capital that we have to work with. So right now, I'm paper trading. What that means is that we chose a price to buy $1,000. We sold $1,000 of fiat at $4,241.08 for a single Ethereum, and we received in our paper trading account 0.232959 Ethereum. And so that was about $1,000. So we've been working our way backwards and picking out anything that arrived as we saw it. Recently we stopped and we were clicking on this Curiosity Diamond Silver, but we'll continue forward. Scrolling, just looking for anything that stands out, anything that just seems like it might be interesting to take a look at the order book for the token in question. I like this one. But we already did a curiosity, so let's continue. Interesting. Seeing anything. That candor actually looks intriguing. What's going on with this token? No sold orders. Kind Candor Bubblegum Galaxy. Let's take a look. Kind Candor Bubblegum Galaxy. So that was the floor price for that token. That's the last one so far in the order book. Kind Candor Bubblegum Galaxy. Oh, interesting. Bubblegum and diamond are the same, but it's still more than hollow. Kind Candor Bubblegum Galaxy. Let's take a look at the activity. Scrolling. Oh, there aren't that many. Interesting. So we have what, 0.3, 0.35, 0.45, 0.3, 0.36, 0.4, 0.6, 0.5, 0.52, 0.31, 0.14. So this was the shelf right here when we went from oh, it went down then. Oh, because they sold after, right? Oh, still did better to get out. Not a bad trade. Okay, this is just describing, oh wow, 1 month ago, $100, $88. Okay, so let's just jump back in. Continue scrolling. Seeing anything that stands out. That ambition galaxy, or that ambition rainbow, looks interesting. Tenacity Emerald, I think we already checked on that. Humility Gold Galaxy. Okay, so now, okay, I can tell we're getting into a shelf level where I'm interested. I'm getting more interested. I'm seeing things that I would like to purchase. It's getting to be juicy. We see a gratitude show up at 440 at 0.099 Ethereum. So we're scrolling still. Some curiosities. Tenacity. Let's give a shout out to the Woods. Wood Empathy Bubblegum. Wood Empathy Bubblegum. One of the largest, if not the single largest category of the least rare in tokens. 6,231 in bubblegum empathy. Empathy bubblegum. Bubblegum empathy, drink it out of 16,525. Let's check it out. Empathy bubblegum wood. Empathy bubblegum wood. Let's check out the listed price first. Okay, so that was for 0.09855. So it's all the way up here. So there are 3 more in the order book before that. Let's take a look at the activity. Let me take a look at the burns. Okay, wow, yeah, there's a lot of burns here. Interesting. I wonder what that will do to the price going forward. Wow, these are a lot of individual burns. It's not the same as tokens. Each one of these is a book game that has been taken off the market. Okay, so let's take a look. So wait, what did that do to the marketplace, the market value? Okay, there's still a lot, but what's the shelf? Does that mean there's a higher shelf? 1,000, 700, 700. Interesting. Okay, so we're taking it and we're looking at it and we're getting a sense of what this book game token is worth or was worth historically, so we can get a sense of the total market value. This is one of the most populated, the least rare tokens. Okay, so 0.5 for the first. We have to increase this to make it go super fast. 0.1, 0.13, 0.1213. Just look at all this order book volume. 0.1415, 16, 18, 19, 0.2. Dropping back down. 0.2. 0.28. Oh, 0.17. 0.14, 0.15, 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, 0.2, 0.2122, 0.23, 0.24, 0.24, 0.19, 0.2, 0.19, 0.21, 0.23, 0.24, 0.22, 0.27, 0.28, 0.3. This is the median, middle, 0.4, 0.41, 0.45, 0.3, 0.4, 0.42, 0.43, 0.38, 0.41, 0.42, 0.38, 0.37. About 70% through, 0.5. And we're still going, we're still moving. Just notice the time spent. This is all order book traffic for transaction history for this token. Just notice the duration. 0.2, so we already reached past the shelf. 0.2, 0.1, 19, 18, 0.19, 0.2, 0.15, 0.4, 0.14, oh, 0.09, 0.08, 0.1, 0.09, 0.07, 0.03, 0.02, 0.024, and then we're back in the 100s. 0.00, 30, oh goodness. Some of these were going for $30 a little bit. Okay, so that's what we get for Empathy Bubblegum Wood at 440 approximately. So what are we seeing? Seeing things that stand out, seeing things that spark our interest. This sparks my interest. This Tenacity Bubblegum Galaxy. Looking for value, looking for things that stand out. That ambition, neon, gold, stands out. Humility is delicious. Some tenacities. Some tenacities. Ooh, Patience Hollow. Okay, so we made it just under $400. Let's see if we'll make it to 330 or 350. Okay, let's pause here at the 350 shelf. 0.08 Ethereum. And so this is where I'm going to leave off. This has been BookGames Spectator. We're going through the order book from price, and we're checking out the price from $1,000 all the way down to the floor. And we just made it to $356, aka 0.08 Ethereum. Until next time.